This is John for Algo Futures Trader. This is the Algo Futures Trader for NinjaTrader 7. Last week we talked about how you can download this software for free and use it in simulated mode, demo mode, until you're ready, to go live, trade real money, and at that point you can go ahead and purchase the software. All right, and I'll leave the links below, for all the downloads and for purchase and so on. But what I wanted to go over is, what happened, some of the highlights last week. And I want to start with Friday. So Friday, you can see here was the 9:30 open here. These bars are gray. Now, before you start trading, if you want to trade this automatically or fully automate it, we're just going to turn this where it says automatic trading off to on, right? Before the open, then it's set. If for some reason we only wanted to take long trades, see this box here, we just leave that checked. We'd uncheck short trades. Then it won't take any short trades. It would only take long trades and vice versa. The traffic light filter is your filter here at the bottom. When this is all green, that's saying it's okay for longs. When it's all red, as we'll see in a little bit, then it's okay to take short trades. All right, so you can use that filter as just that, a filter to filter out trades either long or short. So basically you have your no trade zone here, all right, between basically this green dotted line here, the red dotted line here. All right, that's your no trade zone. So we're waiting for price to break out of that zone and for the traffic light filter to be lined up in the right direction. So what happened Friday? Market opened. You can see these candles were gray. This VWAP, the red dotted line, which was blue earlier, has now gone red. All right, notice we're starting to break down here through the opening breakout range. Now, our traffic light filter didn't quite agree yet, but here it does. Now, see the candle turns fully red here. We've got all our red dots on our traffic light filter. So that tells the software it is okay to execute that trade, in this case to the short side. So that's where we entered the trade here, and you can see that was the entry at 13,525 there. All right, now it's going to take, it initially started with 3 contracts. You can change the number of contracts in the software very easily. But once we got down here, it took off 2 of the contracts, so we're just trailing 1, and that's what you see left here. So we took 2 off here. It's trailing, or the software did. So the software is managing this, and you'll see as we move forward here, as things begin to break down on Friday. All right, you see where the final stop on that last contract is here. And let me just pull that back. That's where it is now. So it's Sunday evening, market has reopened, and you can see we opened lower here, and here's where your final stop is. Okay, now I'm just going to close this out at this point. If I just click close all, I can manually interfere or intervene here and just close it out.
Order filled.
Okay, and boom, we're out. All right, so that was Friday's trade, but I do want to go back and take a look at Thursday. So this was a great example of a short trade where you're taking 2 off. If you're starting with 3 lots, these are micro lots, okay? Taking your profit on 2 initially and then trailing that last one. And you're trying to just basically capture the range for the day, if possible. Now it is set up out of the box so that the built-in breakout template is basically ready to go. So here's what happened at the open on Thursday, and this is what you want to see, right? So here was our no trade zone here, but you can see when the candles turned blue here, just after the 9:30 open, got a couple of signals there to go long. You can see this kind of moved the execution over once you restarted, I guess. But anyway, so you're in here, you're taking profit on the first 2. The profit target was here basically. So you're in here, taking profit here, and then look, it just ran, and that's what you want to see. if we can get this thing to just run the whole day. And basically the exit here, it closed all by itself because it hit the profit target, which was $500. So you can see here it says profit target goals of 500 and the stop loss limit of 500. So basically once it hits that profit target or the stop loss goal, it's done, it shuts off. So just to kind of give you a couple examples, one to the long side, one to the short side. Basically you're coming in the morning, you might be checking the trend to see which direction you want to favor, or like I said, it's pre-programmed. Just turn automatic trading on and it will execute the trades for you automatically and then manage it from there. All right, hope that helps, and we'll see you in the next video.